Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss lesson 4 electromagnetic induction and alternating current. In this lesson we have discussed so many topics. Today we are going to discuss a new topic, mutual inductance. Before we are going to discuss mutual inductance, just we recall that self-inductance, because if you very well know that self-induction, then only we are doing the mutual inductance. In our previous class, very detailedly we revised, studied self-inductance. So as it is same for that mutual inductance is nothing but same for self-inductance. Self-inductance we have used only one coil, but mutual inductance used the two coils. I hope no need to the self-inductance recall, because we are going to discuss mutual inductance. First we are going to discuss definition of mutual. Two more question. Definition of mutual inductance. What is that? Definition of mutual inductance. When electric current passes through the one coil, so electric current passes through the one coil. Suppose we are representing coil is represented by 1. What happens means EMF induced the other coil, or you have to write neighboring coil nearby the coil. When electric current I passes through the one coil, and EMF induced other coil or nearby the coil, or nearby the coil or neighboring coil is known as this phenomena is known as mutual inductance. Very simple, no? Self-inductance means, just I recall that when current enter the or change of current changes in the coil, and EMF induced in the same coil itself. That is self-inductance. Mutual inductance means, see that I'll draw the two coils. See, this is the coil, first coil, coil 1. This represents by N turns. When current I enter the coil 1. What is this? Coil 1. What happens? EMF this is coil 2. What is the output? EMF is the output. How that EMF is generated, we discuss. So when the current enters the one coil or passes through the one coil, EMF induced in the nearby the coil is known as induced EMF. This phenomena is known as mutual inductance. Very easy, no? Self-inductance means only one way current enters the one coil, EMF induced in the same coil, but induced mutual inductance they will getting two coils. This is also N turns in the second coil. Got it? So definition of mutual inductance clear, no? Any doubt for mutual inductance? If current changes in the one coil and EMF induced in the other coil, this phenomenon is known as mutual inductance. Next, definition. Explanation of mutual inductance. How that mutual inductance obtained? I'll take two coils. The two coils are very close to each other. Are placed. See that coil 1. Current coil 1 What is that? N turns in coil 1. Another coil, coil 2. Okay, what is that? Coil 2. Coil 2 having N turns. So current in the coil represented by first coil I1. Current in the coil, what is that? Represented by I2, second coil. So when the current enter in the coil 1, what happened? We already knew the definition. The magnetic field around it. See, this is magnetic field. Not only the magnetic field in the coil 1, the magnetic field also established in the near the coil or neighboring coil also. Current enter the coil 1. The magnetic field is established not only in the coil 1, in the near the coil. Due to the establishment of the magnetic field, the magnetic flux linked to that. What is that? Magnetic flux. See, inside dot. These are magnetic flux. The magnetic flux not only linked in the coil 1, coil 2 also. So current change in the coil 1, the EMF induced in the coil 2. What is that? Coil 2. Coil has N turn. See, we will just we recall that if magnetic flux link in the coil is directly proportional to amount of current enter the coil, isn't it? We have discussed in the what is that? Self-inductance. Here the magnetic flux linked, where they link in the second coil. Second coil has N turns, N2. Then flux 5 to second coil only flux link. No, that means flux is directly proportional to how that due to the current energy. What is the current? I1 is the current in the primary coil. So when you have to write this equation, rewrite. See, phi21 equal to M21 into I1. Equation number 1. Just recall that self-inductance. See, I separately write that N phi B equal to Li. Isn't it? This is for self-inductance. Am I correct? What is this equation number 1 here? N2, that means the EMF is induced in the second coil due to change in the current first coil. Then what is M21? It is nothing but coefficient of mutual inductance. What is that? Coefficient of mutual inductance. Here, what is here? Coefficient of self-inductance. So, equation 1 I want to rewrite. How to rewrite? I need M21. So, M coefficient of mutual inductance, N2 pi21 divided by I. Equation number 2. In this equation number 2, I want to give that I is equal to 1 ampere. How much? When current is equal to 1 ampere, what happens? M21 coefficient of mutual inductance in the second coil and respect to the first coil, N2 pi21 divided by 1. Divide by 1. Anything divided by 1, the same value. So M21 equal to N2 pi21. This is our required equation. What is this equation? We are considering equation number 3. So I'll give the definition of coefficient of mutual inductance. Already I gave the definition of mutual inductance. This is what is that? Coefficient of mutual inductance. So coefficient of mutual inductance in the coil is defined as D. When 1 ampere current enter in the coil 1, the flux linkage in the coil 2 is known as what is the coefficient of mutual inductance. Otherwise, when the flux linkage in the second coil is N2 pi 2, the current entering the coil 1 is 1 ampere. So flux linkage in the coil 2 is, what is that? N2 pi to 1. When it happened, we have to send the current, what is that? 1 ampere in the coil 1. This is the definition of, what is it? Coefficient of mutual inductance. Other definition also is there according to Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. What is that? According to Faraday law of electromagnetic induction, short form. So EMF minus d by dt, what is that? N2 pi 2. Isn't it? N2 pi 2. We have to see that equation number N2 pi 2, equation number 1. This is considered equation number 4. Substitute equation number 1 in equation number 4. What will get? Substitute equation number 1 from equation number in equation number 4. So left side of the equation, induced EMF equal to minus d by dt. Instead of N2 pi 2, what I want to substitute? M, see the 21 into I1, isn't it? Here M21 is constant. Rest of the term minus di1 by dt. Suppose I want to the coefficient of mutual inductance, second coil with respect to first one. What is that? Minus induced EMF divided by di1 by dt. So any doubt for this equation? As it is in the self-inductance equation, here we are considering two coils, that's why we are using I1. So already I gave the definition of from equation number 3, coefficient of mutual inductance. Now I will give that. Consider this is the equation number 5. Using the equation number 5, I will give the definition of mutual inductance. So coefficient of mutual inductance. How do I mean? See that di1 by dt equal to 1 ampere per second. Substitute that here. What will you get the equation? M21 equal to minus induced EMF divided by 1. So M21 equal to minus induced EMF. Equation number 6. Use the equation number 6. I will give that. What I want to do means the definition of coefficient of mutual inductance. So the coefficient of mutual inductance between the two coils is defined as D. When the rate of change of current 1 ampere per second in the one coil, they produce opposing induced EMF in the other coil is known as coefficient of mutual inductance. What is that? See here, flux linkage in the coil 2 is N2 pi 2, means current 1 ampere in the coil. Same for that, when the rate of change of current in the one coil, how much? 1 ampere per second. They are producing the opposing induced EMF in the second coil. If rate of change of current 1 ampere per second first coil, they are established or they are produce the opposing induced EMF other coil is known as, or second coil is known as coefficient of mutual inductance. These are very important definitions. So don't forget that. Using these relations, they will ask number of 1 mark problem, created problems, and JEE preparatory exam problems, questions, and some of the competitive exam also. Based on this equation, they will ask the questions. Okay. So always you remember the equation. Next, we are going to discuss unit of mutual inductance. What is the unit of self-inductance? Say anyone, what is the unit of self-inductance? The unit of self-inductance is nothing but Henry. What is the unit of mutual inductance? Can you guess anyone? Unit of mutual inductance also, what is that? Henry. Inductance Henry unit is, that is for self inductance. So next we are going to discuss unit of mutual inductance. What is that? Unit of mutual. So unit of mutual inductance Henry or Weber ampere inverse or volt second ampere inverse. It is a scalar quantity, isn't it? Am I correct? Next, dimension formula. What is the dimension formula? M L square T minus 2 A power minus 2 dimension. These are repeated one more question. They will be any one of them. What is the which of the following are find the unit of self inductance or unit of mutual inductance? Self inductance, mutual inductance, all are what is that? Okay. So next, definition of Henry. Definition of Henry. So 1 Henry equal to 1 Weber ampere inverse equal to 1 volt second ampere inverse. Now we want to use the two equation. We will give that. What are the equation are used means? See that M21 equal to N2 pi 2 divided by I. This one equation. Another equation M21 equal to minus induced EMF divided by di1 divided by dt. And because we use EMF for this second, no. Use this two relation. We will give that, or we will discuss the unit of Henry. Unit of self coefficient of mutual inductance or mutual inductance. From this equation, see that from this equation, I do not know, when I is equal to, that means I1, substitute here I1 equal to 1 ampere, then N2 pi 2 equal to 1 Weber. So we will give what happens if we substitute this. So M we are getting M21 equal to what is that? 1 ampere by 1 Weber. So 1 cancel, ampere Weber by ampere, isn't it? Sorry, this is numerator Weber, this is ampere. So 1 Weber per ampere. See here, is nothing but what is that? 1 Henry. So 1 Henry, otherwise the mutual inductance is said to be 1 Henry is defined as the when 1 ampere current flows in the one coil, they produce the unit flux in the other coil. Is known as Henry, depending upon the mutual inductance. So what is that? Don't memory. See here. 1 ampere current flows in the one coil. Due to the 1 ampere current, the unit flux linkage in the second coil is known as Henry. In the second definition, when we substitute, when I, that means di by dt equal to 1 ampere per second, then EMF minus 1 volt. So if we substitute, what we get? M21 equal to, so minus 1 volt divided by, what is that? 1 ampere per second. So what is that? Volt second ampere inverse is nothing but 1 Henry. We got it, no? So definition of Henry, see box there. In the above box equation is nothing but how to derive the units. So 1 Henry defined in the other format. How to format means when the rate of change of current 1 ampere per second in first coil, the opposing induced EMF produced in the second coil. But self inductance, the rate of change of current in the first coil, that means same coil, the opposing induced EMF also in the same coil. That is, what is that? Self-inductance. But here, the rate of change of current in the first coil, due to rate of change of current in the first coil, they are established the opposing induced EMF second coil. This is known as unit of mutual inductance. Got it? Don't memorize. Using this equation, you can write very clearly. So how to recall this equation? Just I will show that. So self-inductance and mutual inductance. What are the main equations? Always you recall, because this is very important topic. Without this topic, we are taken the question. Use definitely any one part, that means 1 mark level or 2 mark level, 3 mark level, compulsory question or 5 mark level, some JEE question, NEET question. They are always use this topic they are asking. Okay. So first see that self-inductance. Self-inductance. What is that? N pi B equal to Li. Isn't it? So L equal to N pi B by I. Then if the above equation I is equal to 1 ampere, we are using definition of self-inductance. Am I correct? Next, according to Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction. What is that? Psi minus d by dt n pi d. We have discussed very briefly. So now, so induced EMF minus d I by dt minus L instead of n. So L is equal to minus psi di by dt. If the above equation di by dt equal to 1 ampere per second, we will give the what we want to give, the definition of coefficient of self-inductance. Am I correct? Next, unit of self-inductance. 1 Henry is the unit of Henry, or Weber per ampere, or whole second ampere inverse. How that units we already discussed. Am I correct? Next, mutual inductance. Mutual inductance means two coils. See, I will change the color, chocolate color. I will do. See, M21, N2, sorry, N2 pi B2, otherwise pi 2, N pi B2 equal to M21 I1. Then coefficient of mutual inductance N2 pi B2 I1. If I1 equal to 1 ampere, we have given the definition of mutual inductance N2 pi 2. Use this equation, you can use it with definition of mutual inductance. And another method, according to Faraday law of electromagnetic induction, short form. There is no time, that's why. So psi induced EMF equal to minus M21 di by dt. Then M21 equal to minus induced EMF di by dt. That means di1. Just identify that. This is what is that? di1 di1. When this equation we want to substitute di1 by dt equal to 1 ampere per second. What is that mutual inductance M21 equal to minus psi? That means reduced EMF. We can give the definition of mutual inductance. I explained already, isn't it? Next, unit of mutual inductance. What is that mutual inductance? Henry unit or Weber per ampere inverse or whole second ampere inverse. This is also scalar quantity. Dimension formula m L square T minus 2 A power minus ampere per second. Here also scalar quantity. What is that? Scalar quantity and dimension formula ml square e power minus 2 a power. If you can't identify these letters, you are identifying here. I written very clearly m l square e power minus 2. Definitely, if you knew this thing, this equation, you should practice like that. When I written the board, no, like that you want to. After complete the self-inductance and mutual induction, you write these formulas and check evaluate, and you will get definitely good marks. Don't miss the marks in this part. Okay. Next, another important question. What is that question? Means mutual inductance between the two long solenoid. Already we have discussed the self-inductance in the long solenoid. Here, mutual inductance. Next, we are going to discuss important 5-mark question. This one. So mutual inductance between two long solenoids. Very easy. Mutual inductance between two long solenoids. Mutual inductance between two long solenoids. Here, mutual inductance means two solenoid, that means two coils we need. The two coils are keep very closely or very near. See, first I will draw the diagram. See how to draw the diagram. First one. Okay. So the length of the solenoid are marked. That's it. Both coil 1 and coil 2. The length of the solenoid same length. This is coil 1 n turns, and this pink color represents coil 2 having n turns. So n1 turns, coil 2 n2 turns. Here two coils are placed coaxially. How that this form this see the board. This is the two coils are fixed coaxially. Next, the two coils are in the same length, that denoted by L. Two coils are in the same length. Next point. If compared length is more compared to radius, length of the coil is greater. Important point. Compared to radius of the coil. Got it? Next, if you see the board, the area of the coil 1 is more compared to area of the coil. So A1 greater than A2. I got this point. That means what is this? What is this? A1 area of the coil 1. Area of the coil 1. Second, A2 the area of the coil 2. How the area of the coil 1? Always greater. See the board. Comes back to next. I1 is the current, or I is the current enter the coil. Enter the coil. So very easy know how to write the definition. Construction. First draw the diagram. You will get 1 mark. Next write as don't follow as it is book. You can write it your own. But that should given the meaning. Don't write your own stories. Write the correct meaning words. So two coils are placed coaxially, having the same length L, but the lengths are greater compared to radii. Here area of cross section of the coil 1 is greater compared to area of the coil 2. I is the current flowing through the coil. What happened? The magnetic field is established. Due to the established magnetic field, magnetic flux is what is that? Produced. First, when the current I1 enter the coil 1, magnetic field in the coil according to means the coil 2 is inside that. What is that? B1 equal to mu 0 N1 I1. Consider the equation number 1. The field lines, what is the field lines? Magnetic field lines B1. The field lines are passing through the area bounded by the coil A2. What is that? The field lines is the current enter the coil. The magnetic field lines area bounded by the, what is the area A2? What is that? Other coil A2. When current in the coil A1 enter, the magnetic field lines area bounded by the coil. No. So how much magnetic flux produced? See that phi2 is equal to integration of A to B vector dot dA. Or BA cos theta, here theta is equal to 0. Because got it. So here that this equation phi2 equal to, we have to represent phi2 1. So sorry for this picture. So B into A2. B into A2. This is B1 into A2. Isn't it? B1 into A2, because magnetic field lines in the first coil enter in the second coil A2. Okay. So suppose the coil contains n turns. First we want to substitute phi21 equal to B1 no. What is that? B1. What is B1? See that mu naught N1 I1 into A2. The flux linkage in each coil, each turn of the coil, that means n turns. Got it? N turns. We can multiply the equation number 2 in both sides, n. So n second first coil or second coil, it is nothing but second coil. No, n2 pi 21 equal to, here also n2 mu naught n1 I1 into A2. We know that n2 equal to, what is that? Already we have discussed self-inductance of the long solenoid, NL. What is that? NL. Here, that N is considered to be N2. Second terms, no, N2. You have to substitute the above relation, the N2 in the above equation number, consider equation number 3. So what we get? N2 pi 21 equal to, instead of N2, what comes of the N2, L, the rest of the term, mu naught N1 I1 into A2, isn't it? So can I have this diagram? Any doubt for this diagram? Very easy, no? Draw the diagram and write the introduction of the diagram and derive the mathematical expression. So substitute the rewrite the equation. What is the equation? See, I write 2 1 equal to, what is the right side of the equation? So first mu naught, write that N1 N2 rest of the term I1 L into A or A, isn't it? So consider this is equation number 4. From the definition of mutual inductance, what is that? Mutual inductance. What is the definition of mutual inductance? See that N2 pi 2 equal to M21 into I1. So substitute instead of M2 pi 2, what do you have to substitute? M2 I1 in the equation number 4. So left side M21 I1 equal to mu naught N1 N2 I1 A into L. Here what is the term going to cancel? Here the term I1 cancel. So the coefficient of self-inductance between the two coils is mu naught N1 N2 AL. This is our required equation. Equation number 5. Just can you remember that? What is the self-inductance equation? L is equal to mu naught N1 N2 AL. Sorry, they are only one coil, no. So N square A. Can you remember? Don't confuse. Don't write this equation in the examination. Just your understanding, I will do this equation. Just remember and refer. Can I have this equation? So as it is. So it is nothing but, see, I will draw once again the rough diagram. See, if you use the two coils, isn't it? This is coil 2. When current I1 enters the coil, the magnetic flux linked in the second coil. Here we got it the equation M21 mu naught N1 N2 A. If we send the current I2 in the coil 2, just you are follow my words. The current entering the second coil, the magnetic field established in the first coil. This equation, the above equation, current I1 in coil 1. Okay, we got the mutual inductance M21 in second coil, isn't it? Coil, second coil. Just just reconvert that. When current I2 is enter coil 2, it is possible to produce, what is that? Mutual inductance in the coil 1. We have to prove that. Oh, just we are going to prove that. See, when current applies in the second coil I2, the magnetic field established in the first coil, inside only the magnetic field produced, established. What is the outside? We already discussed in our previous chapter, magnetic effect of electricity. The magnetic field outside of the solenoid or outside of the coil is zero. Here also, the current enter in the second coil, the magnetic field established inside the first coil. See that? Inside the first coil is okay. But outside, see that this is outside. Outside almost zero. What is that? Almost zero. But the magnetic field lines inside is there. No. So we want to prove that. What we want to prove that? As it is same, we are sure no. The same method we can prove that the magnetic field in the second V2 equal to mu naught N2 I2. Mu naught, what is that? N2 I2. What is the magnetic flux? Pi 1 to before we are discussed pi to 1 equal to integration of, what is that? Integration of A2, the limits B1 sorry B2 into A2. What is that? B2 into A2. So BA B. Here also R BA cos theta, theta equal to 0 degree. So when we substitute the 0 degree, what we are getting? 1, so B into A. So pi 1 2 equal to B2 into A2. We got it B2 equation, substitute pi 1 2 is nothing but mu naught N2 I2 into what is that? A2. Am I correct? N2 A2. Any doubt from this equation? So next, if the coil or flux linkage in each turn is considered to be, what is that? N1. Each turn is N1. We can multiply by both in this equation. So we are considering equation number 5. So this is equation number 6. So N1 multiply the equation number 6 both side. N1 by N2 equal to mu naught N1 mu naught N2 I2 into A2. What is N1? We know that N1 into N, isn't it? So substitute the N1 relation, the equation. So N1 don't change in the left side. 1 to N1L, rest of the equation. Mu naught N2 I2, what is that? A2. So we already know that N1 pi 2 equal to M12 I2. Before N2 pi 21 equal to M21 I1 written. Now second to first law, that is first to second N1 pi 1 to M12 I2. So what will get? See, so substitute this here. So M12 I2 right side, N1 L mu naught N2 I2 into what is that? A2. Different area of cross section. No. So what is that? What are the term cancel? I2 I2. So M12 equal to mu naught N1 N2 L into what is M21? We already derived, but I have once again I remember mu naught N1 N2 L into A1. Area of fractions are different, no? So consider last equation, equation number 6, equation number 7. From equation number 7 and right, we can write that. What is that? M21 equal to M12 equal to what is that? M mutual inductance. So any doubt for very simple. First you have to prove first coil to second coil. Next you have to prove in the same manner second coil to first coil. This is the mutual inductance between two long solenoid. This is very important, repeated question. I hope you will get certain get confusion. How to avoid the confusion? First you are very clear in the self-inductance. Both definition, coefficient of self-inductance, mutual self-inductance of long solenoid. Then you want to study mutual inductance and write separately and study the difference. What is the difference is there? Self-inductance and coefficient of mutual inductance, self-inductance and mutual, and this coefficient of self-inductance used in the transformer. Transformer works on the principle of coefficient of mutual inductance or mutual inductance. We will going to discuss next topic transformer. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Thank you.